So here I have the sample for the draw tape or drawstring truss bag, very commonly used in the US and EU market. And we can make them in many sizes, from 30 gallon to 56 gallon, and we can put them in dispenser boxes sizes, very commonly used in the US market, and you can take the bag out very easily. And we can make them with HDPE or LDPE up to the customer requirement. And they are made with recycled material, so they are very eco-friendly, and they are also very strong. Here is the roll made in Italy style, so you can take off the bag very easy. The ceilings are very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about truss falling out or water leaking out. And the handle here, very easy to pull, and it closes the opening of the bag very tight. Now I put some weight in the bag to test the weight capacity. Here you can see the handle, very strong, doesn't break at all. So yeah, if you have any experience in manufacturing drawstring or draw tape truss bag,